Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video, I will teach you how you can receive money via this RIA money transfer. So let's begin the video. Here basically the first step is verified transfer availability. Here you have to make sure that the sender has completed the process and they have provided you with the necessary details like such as the PIN code and verification number that you will use it for tracking as well. And if you have chosen a cash picker for the delivery method, then here you have to find the RIA location. You have to locate a nearly RIA agent. You can use the RIA locator on the website to find an agent. Now the step 3 is visit the RIA agent. After choosing the location, you have to go and you have to visit your RIA agent location. Basically, you can get your money through this third-party agent, so you have to visit their location. Now here the step 4 is provide required information. So when you will go and visit the RIA agent will ask for some document verification. So you must have PIN or the reference code that you will get from your sender. And you must have a valid government issue photo ID such as passport or driving license, or you can use your national ID card as well. Now the step 5 is fill out any necessary forms. Now after doing the document verification, the agent must ask you to fill out any form. This may include your name, your address and the reference number. Just you have to enter all this information there. Now the step 6 is receive the money. After verifying all the information and doing the legal work, the agent will give you the money. Always check the amount to ensure it matches the money that the sender has sent you. That was basically how you can receive your cash picker money. And if you talk about how you can receive your bank-to-bank transfer money, for that you don't have to go through such long process. They will directly gonna transfer the money from the sender's bank to your bank account. And if you want to track the money, then you can track the money with their reference number that your sender will provide you. And that was basically all about how you can receive money via this RIA money transfer. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.